Okay, so I'm gonna need you guys to stay through the whole video if you guys want to see the interior makeover of my she shed. Interior makeover of my she shed. Stay tuned, watch the whole video. You will not be disappointed. Okay, bye.
We need some really nice things. We need some really big rings. I got a really big team. I got a really big team. They need some really big rings. They need some really nice things. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. We need some really nice things. We need some really big rings. I got a really big team, man. What a time to be alive. You and yours versus me and mine. Oh, we talking things? Oh, we talking teams? Oh, you switching sides? Wanna come with me? Look at the smile on me. Look at the eye on me. I do not chase girls, but they run a mile for me. Say she gon' ride for me. I buy the tires for you. This game is different. You only get one shot when niggas go file on you. Man, fuck them all. Man, we want it all. Don't get too involved. We gon' knock it off.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Y'all, open these blinds up. Oh, look at the bird. There's always wildlife coming to see me. Looky, where you going? I can feel my collarbone coming back. So y'all see this room that I'm in. This room is initially supposed to be my son's room, rest his soul. So y'all remember how this room looked from the very beginning, like when we first got this house. It has been renovated in a sense, basically painted, some blinds have been changed, the floors, all of that. So you guys have seen that if you've been following my house journey. Yes, manifesting my home series. If you've been watching that, you already know about this room. Y'all know initially I said this room was going to be a movie room, but I am deciding to make this into my closet. This is going to be my master closet. So we have a lot of work to do in here. So my plans are for this particular room here, you guys, I'm going to show you like my inspiration. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what it is I'm going for. It will take me some time to get there, given that I have to spend loads of money on other stuff currently. And as soon as you know I get out of that, we're gonna work on this closet. But I'm gonna work with what I have thus far. Like I said, the shelving that my dad built. He built these on the wall. This was initially just gonna be like, put baby stuff up here and like, you know, make a cute little area for him. My mom kept saying over and over like, won't you just make it a closet / dressing room? So that's what this is going to be. Lots of thoughts on kind of how I want it. Shelves. You guys saw the shelves. These types of shelves. I've been looking at some from Target. I know Walmart was selling some, but they sold out because of a TikTok. There is TikToks going around with people doing just what I wanted to do, make rooms out of a closet. Yeah, shelves, cute shelves. I want the cute display lights over top of my clothes. Display sunglasses. I want to be able to put my sunglasses on display. I want this particular room to look luxury and immaculate. You get what I'm saying? Okay. Slowly moving this. What is that? But steady. All right, she is in here. Like, I don't know if That's where I want her to be. And then this mirror just goes up like, the mirror goes up like so. And I'm gonna get some LED lights going on that. I think that would be great. I gotta organize all of that. That's why I need organizers for that, for all of this stuff. But we're just gonna get everything in its rightful place. It's in here, yes. Yes. This stand here, I use it in my last place. I want to paint it white. So I've been folding my pants up on here. So whatever pants could go here, I'm gonna put them up there. And these hats, these are not my hats, y'all. This is Main's hats. He got them shipped here. He got them shipped here because I'm his little assistant. Look at the kitty, 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 kitty. Gave him a piece of Popeye's chicken. When I say this cat come see me all the time, if y'all see the paw prints on my car, this will be doing it. The paw prints been on here every single time. Y'all, I just finished a mean workout. I'm done with my workout today. It's not as much as I normally do, but at least I did something. I did 15 minutes of cardio. I did some booty exercise. I feel like I could have did more booty exercises, but I didn't. But it is what it is, okay? I gotta get some cleaning done, just a little bit more. I started cleaning yesterday. You guys saw my closet. I'm gonna finish working on that. That's gonna take me some time, like I said. But let me get this chlorophyll water in, honey. Y'all get to see the inside of my storage today. Y'all get to see the inside of my she shed. Transformation she shed. I'm gonna focus more so on my stomach today and my butt. We're gonna get to work on this booty and the stomach. I'm gonna zero in on that. More chlorophyll water. Y'all already know what it is. Okie doke, guys. I finished my workout. I took my vitamins and such. And it was a nice workout. A little sluggish and slow, but nice little workout. I happened to get a 12-minute sweat in eventually throughout the whole thing. I'm going to get ready for the day. It is Cinco de Mayo. See what I'm gonna get into today for that. I already know what outfit I'm wearing for Cinco de Mayo. I'm gonna show you guys that as soon as I get out of the shower. So your girl has my clothes on, as you can see. I even decided to put some little smile lashes on today, y'all, because I like to feel cutesy, you know what I'm saying? Put a little foundation on too. Watch that now. And this is how I got my hair up. I got a bandana on. This is my top right here from Ross Dress for Less. Y'all can see it has a rose on the front. And the back says, I'll show y'all what the back says. The back says bonita. A beady, 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 beady. Bamba. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the inside of my shed. Please do me a favor if you have not watched the video of the exterior. Like I said, go check that out for me, please, before we get to the rest of this video, okay? So I'm gonna slide these on real quick. Oh, and I also have like this plaid long sleeve shirt to wrap around, just kind of giving it a, you know, a look. It's a look. Let's have a look. This is my she shed, the interior makeover, extreme makeover of the interior she shed. Walk. Look at that spider. Oh my gosh. So let's just pull this open. this is the reveal of the inside exterior. Okay, so as you guys can see, the floors have been done. We're gonna just talk about the details that we have going on in here, what has been done, and yeah, pretty much that. But I definitely would live in this, like it's livable. Insulation was put in, but look at these walls. Oh my gosh, we pretty much used material that we already had. We didn't really go and buy anything, like we just used what we had. My parents had these floor pieces already. This wall, my dad put all of this up. As you can see, that's why this side of the wall is white, because we literally just used what we had, okay? Also over here, as you can see, that was a whole piece of material, but he cut it out to shake the window. Over here as well. And as you can see here, as you can see, the ceiling was also done with the same material. It's looking great. I love this wood look. You guys know I love this. I love it. This is livable. Like I said, it's insulation in here and everything. Like, believe it's gonna put a plug in here. I'm not sure, but let's have a look from this angle. So yeah, this is what we are looking at now. As you guys can see with the floor, we have the black, kind of the darker floor trimming all the way around. Well, not on that side, but on this side here. And the rest of it is this color here. I really, really love this. And the details here, if you guys can see, trimming was put around. We have trimming over in the top too. It's the details that make everything come together, you guys. You know, I really love this. With these windows, of course, like maybe some blinds, some new screening in here, so if I want to lift the windows up to let some breeze in, I can. Same on this side. The screen definitely needs to be changed here because it's kind of torn. But we're gonna do something cute with the windows. Oh my god, stay open. But I think, you know, my mom was saying, you know, a see-through door would be cute, but we shall see about that. How cute. I'm also thinking about whether I wanna see what type of steps I'm gonna put here as well, because this is like a drop down right here. Definitely gonna need some steps, some cute steps, and then like maybe some cobblestones that go from the front all the way to there, to the back of my patio. So yeah, I'm really excited about the results, you guys. I love it so much.
What is it? What else?
They got him. They got him. Huh? Yeah.
It's 11:22. It's 11:22. And I got me a glass of wine. So we got a little something going on today, y'all. I might have to come back and charge my camera because it is on 35%. My uncle is having like a little birthday bash that he normally has every year. He's gonna have that. When I go by this festival, I'm going to go and see what he is up to, him and his kids. I don't know what they have up today. We shall see. But he came by here and we had a long talk. And that's why I'm drinking this, cause y'all, it's a lot. It is a whole lot. If I could show you guys the whole outfit. And these keep riding up, y'all, so I know my butt is getting bigger. I got my size, but they are riding up. I have to keep pulling them down. It's real cute, real cute. Got my Toms on. This whole outfit is from Shein. I love it. It's a t-shirt dress with the matching shorts.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item.
Y'all, they had crawfish.
Oh, that's really?
Y'all know I want some crawfish.
But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build.
Look at the outfit, y'all. Okay. What you got in your cup? Okay. Be with my side, B. Y'all, look at Shell's closet. Oh my.
Y'all name mine Kale.
Yeah.
See that? God, that's what God does.
Come on, let me get you some shade, Kate. Let me get you some. Hey, where my belt?
Hi.
Ask for my belt. Ask for my belt.
Hey, how are you? Look at that.
Well, she really made
You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
I hadn't called in. Would you have even told me about this?
Crazy. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about you being in a parking garage with this woman. What else haven't you told me, Derek? Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.